What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Glam box for the month of December. I'm a bit late with this unboxing because I was a bit busy with other stuffs, but I actually had received this box in the beginning of the month, and I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys really badly because this month's Glam box is offering so much. Like, it's actually offering a lot for a very little price. So if you guys don't know, then let me tell you that Glam box comes for just rupees 399 per month if you're taking a 1-month subscription, which is very little, and you can get products up to 4,500. So this month's box is amazing. So this is how this month's box looks. As you all know that Glam boxes are generally magnetic box. By the way guys, if you want to get Glam box, then you can go down to my description box for more details. You will also find the link there. So once you open up the box, this is how the inside of it looks, and these boxes are so useful guys. I use them to store all my jewelries, even for storing few of my makeup products. I do use these, especially eyeshadows. I use these boxes. So basically let's come to the card. So this is how this month's card is, and basically guys, this month you can refill all your favorite products. So in total you will get 5 options. Like in total you can take 5 things, amongst which one, the first product that you will get is a favorite makeup product. The second one will be a fragrance or a mini makeup. The third will be a daily skincare regime. The fourth will be a mask or a scrub, and the fifth one will be a sample to try. And the best thing is that you can choose the product that you want in your box, which is a really good opportunity to grab all your favorite products from the Glam box. So now let's quickly open the box and show you guys what are the products I have chosen. So the first product that I could choose was a favorite makeup, and you guys know I just love lipsticks, so I had to choose a lipstick. So the one that I chose is from Bella Voste, and it's basically a lipstick set. So it's called the Ulti Matte Lip Contour Set. So it's a matte lipstick, but it has jojoba oil and argan oil in it, which is really good for the winters, because applying matte lipstick during the winters is not a great idea. But if it is enriched with argan oil and jojoba oil, that means it's going to take care of your lips and it's going to nourish your lips, and that's what made me really happy. So basically it has a lipstick and a lip liner in it, and here is basically the lipstick and the lip liner. So guys, the shade that I chose is number 11. It is called Decadent, I think that is how it is pronounced, and it's a perfect winter shade. It's very grungy dark. It's a beautiful chocolate color. So let me swatch it for you guys and show you guys the shade. So I'm going to swatch it right over here. So here is the shade. So you can see it's a really beautiful chocolate brown. It looks beautiful. Also let me swatch the pencil and show you guys. So it's very creamy. And guys, this is how it looks on my lips. Second product that I could choose was a fragrance or a mini makeup. Now I had to go for a makeup because you guys know I love makeup, so I basically went for a BB cream, which is from Inveda. Now this one guys is priced at rupees 150, and it's a 8-in-1 cream with magnolia and almond, and it has SPF of 20. So this is fit for all skin type. Now the best thing about this BB cream is that this is paraben free, and I think that makes it perfect for everyday use. So I'm going to take a little bit of it over here and show you guys. So I've taken a very little bit and I'm going to apply it. So you can see a little goes a long way. So it quickly blends. Now this one doesn't have a very high coverage, but I think this is perfect for everyday use. And also guys, this is not at all sticky. Like once you blend it out, it just gives you a perfect matte finish. The third product is a daily skin regime, and for that I got this face wash from Roto, Osaka, Japan, and it's basically I think the brand is either Acne's or the brand is Roto. I'm not quite sure what the brand over here is, but it's basically a Menthocool pimple defense face wash. The price of this is rupees 99. Now this one is going to control the skin's heat, removes excess oil, and it's also going to work against pimples. The fourth product is a mask or scrub, and the one that I got is from Monsubs. It's the Monsubs Crystal Collagen Eye Mask, and guys, this one is again such a good product. I have used this before and I think I had received it previously in one of my Glam Ego boxes, and guys, the moment you apply it, it gives you so much relaxation. If you have puffy eyes and if you're very tired and if your dark circles are, you know, looking very prominent, this is going to give you instant relief, and it makes you feel so better, like it, and it also tightens the skin around your eyes, which I think is another good point. So overall, I have really enjoyed using this mask, so I definitely wanted to try it out again. This is a really good product, so if you guys want to go for it, you can totally go for it because it's a very good product. The last product is a sample to try, and the one that I have received is from Botre. Now this one is a jelly radiance mask and it says glitter and glow. So basically it is supposed to smoothen your skin and it's going to boost your radiance. So I have not used this product before and I don't know how it works, but I'm really looking forward to try it because it sounds quite promising. So with that guys, my unboxing comes to an end. Now coming to my overall thoughts on this month's box. First of all guys, what I really like about this month's box is that you can customize your own box. That is, you can choose your own products and you generally don't get such opportunities. So when you're getting one, I think you should definitely grab this opportunity because you can get hold of some really good products. Also guys, if there is something which you have previously used and you want to restock it again, this is a great chance for you. So overall, I think this month's box is really great. So if you guys want to go ahead and grab this box, then do so because it's still on their website. If you guys want more details, make sure you guys go and check out my description box for more details. So with that guys, this video comes to an end. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wish you all a very happy new year. See you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.